Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Oracle Buddy. Wish you a happy Good Friday and may God give you the faith you hold to never ever leave your path. In Oracle Buddy, we talk about niche technology of MFCS and there we go through the UI videos and session on the each topic. In today, we will discuss about inventory adjustment done in MFCS UI. So first you have to log in to MFCS application and then you have to click on tasks. So once you click on tasks, it will show you all the options and in that we have to go to inventory, and in inventory we can here we have option to do inventory adjustment by item. So before doing that inventory adjustments, let's do a recap what is inventory adjustment. So inventory adjustment allows you to adjust stock on hand and unavailable quantity for one or more item or locations. The quantity of stock on hand for the item log specified is either increased or decreased. It is done by two ways. One is inventory adjustment by item and another one is inventory adjustment by location. So let's start with inventory adjustment by item. So we have to click on inventory adjustment on items. Then here you can see we have chosen inventory adjustment by item. So we have to give a item number. So let's pick a item. So before I will show you the item. So this is the item number. This is location. Currently the stock on hand is 0. Stock update date time is somewhere around 2020. In transit quantity is 0. Non-sellable 0. Last update time and last update ID and last received and last received. So these are the columns which will get impacted. So let's see how it goes to. And then we will see the tran data posting. So currently if we see the tran data, so there are no records for this item. So let's try to begin do that inventory adjustment for that item. So you have to key in the item number and click on the tab. So once you click on the tab, you have two options. Either you want to increase the stock on total stock on hand or unavailable stock. So let's, if unavailable stock, it will be whether it will be in free claim, RTB, destroy in store or shrink. So let's try with total stock on hand as of now, and we go to actions and add. So now, once you click on add, so which location you want to add, it will show here. So location can be either store, warehouse, internal finisher or external finisher. So let's select a warehouse. So once you key in the warehouse number, so you can see here also stock on hand is 0 as we saw in the database. So now we can do an adjustment. So if you want to do a positive adjustment or negative adjustment, you can choose. So let's try with a positive one and we will do for a negative one also. So let's try to add some 10 quantities in this. And here in the reason, so here we have to select a reason. So why we are going to increase the stock on hand by 10. So let's choose by channel adjustment, which is 99. So we will see it in table also, like where it will reflect the quantity and the reason, and click on OK. If you want to add any other location, you can click on OK and add another. So for now, I will just add one location. So once the location is added, you can see here the data is filled here. So our adjustment quantity is 10, which is still editable field in case you want to edit it. Current stock on hand and all these values are grayed out. So let's now click on save and close. So our inventory adjustment is done and our tables must be updated. So let's see what is the status of as of now. See. So here if you see for the item and location, stock on hand has increased to 10. Stock on hand update date time has changed. There is no changes in transit or non-sellable quantities because this is not a transfer where it will do a in transit, and non-sellable quantity also we it not change because we have done it on total stock on hand. So this is how the stock on hand in item lock SOH will change. Let's see the tran data also. So if you see the tran data, there is one entry for that location and item. Tran code 22 is posted for inventory adjustment. Units is 10. Total cost is calculated based on units, total retail as well. Here, if you see the GL ref number is 99, which we have chosen, and the program name called is inventory adjustment SK. So this is all it has done till trend data. So once the nightly batches will run, it will pick the data from trend data to if trend data and trend data history. So this is all about inventory adjustment. If you have any other queries, you can put it in the chat and I will reply on that. But before that, let's try with a negative inventory adjustment as well. So we will do the same inventory adjustment by item for a negative one. So let's try for a negative value. I will pick the same item as the stock on hand has increased, so we can see the inventory movement as well. So again, we are doing for total stock on hand and we are going to add a location and I will use the same warehouse to show you how it changes. So currently stock on hand, you can see 10. So I am going to reduce some two quantities. The reason is you can give any other reason or same reason. It depends on you. So let me pick reason code 10 and then click on OK. So here you can see that this quantity is -2. Let's click on save and close. Now let's see what is the changes in stock on hand. So here you can see item location stock on hand has become 10 minus 2, which is 8. Let's see the trend data also. So if you see, there is two entries for this item now. One is for the inventory positive inventory adjustment, which we did, and another one is for -2, which is the negative inventory adjustment. So similarly, there is another option for doing inventory adjustment, which is inventory adjustment by location. Let's see that as well. So once you click on inventory adjustment by location, instead of item, it is showing location because we are doing an inventory adjustment at a location level. So let's select one, either you can select a store or warehouse, anything. And we will click on add. So here you will see the difference that instead of location, as we are doing it location level, we will have a add items options. So now it has popped up. So let's try with another item. So let me put another item. So here you can see stock on hand is 0. So I will do a adjustment quantity of 2. Reason I will give another reason. Let me pick due to item transfer and click on. Let's try with adding one more item to it. Who can add another? Meanwhile, I will pick another item. So here I will put another item. So currently the stock on hand is 0. Let me add one quantity to this. And so let's try putting a, as you can see stock on hand is 0. Let's try to put a -1 and see how it will behave. So if you can see the stock on hand will be negative. It's a warning message is popping up. If you want to negate it, you can still continue. So let's try the another reason code and click on OK. So now we are doing inventory adjustment at location level, and we have put two items. One is with -1 and one is 2. You can see current stock on hand is 0 for both of them. So now I will put save and close and see. Let's see the data in the database, how it looks as of now. Then we will click on save and close. So we are doing for two locations. So for both of them, if you see stock on hand is 0 and update date time, and for and in tran data, there is no data for him. Let's see in the tran data. Currently there is no data in here. So let me click on save and close. So once you click save and close, the inventory adjustment is created. So let's see what's the status now. So here you can see stock on hand is 2, and for this item which we added two items, and for this item stock on hand has gone to negative, which is -1. In trend data also we will see. So here you can see trend data has been posted. This is for positive units, this is for negative units. And if you see the GLRF number, here we chose 20, here we chose 50. And I need to show you one more thing, another table or inventory adjustment, INVADJ. So here we will put our items. So if you see the item number is there and location is there, adjustment quantity is there, reason code is there, who did the inventory adjustment, user ID is there. So in case you see any inventory adjustment posting in trend data history, you can search it by this. And if you see here, the ID is there 388 and 389, that will be present in trend data table as well as a ref number. So here if you see the ref number 1, ref number 2, so these are the values, these are the inventory adjustment IDs, and this is the GLRF number. So in case you are investigating any issue for the time for the inventory adjustment posting, you can check it in INVADJ table for the user ID who has done it. Apart from that, there is another table, inventory adjustment reason code. So here if we see, so it will show you the reason codes and COX indicator, whether it is N or yes, used indicator is yes or N. So this will give you a list of all the reason codes available. Any other table, INVADJ tran. Okay, so this has the tran types, quantity sign, reason, used indicator. So this is all about inventory adjustment. So inventory, so these are the main tables which will get affected. One is INVADJ table will get affected. So if we want to see the all the inventory adjustment, we can see it here. And from the tran data, tran code 22 will be posted with units, and this will be posted to if tran data and tran data history in the nightly. So this is all about inventory adjustment. If you have any doubt or any query, you can reach out to me in comments and I will reply once I get some time. So before ending this video, I just want to discuss something on MFCS. So MFCS is right now used by many clients now, and but it is still a niche vertical of Oracle retail, which is used by latest clients, but still many clients are using old systems and versions. So it is better that we learn new technology as well, because eventually we all the customers will be moved to cloud. So we are putting a lot of effort to create this content, and as our motto is uh, to excel in every MFCS field and rise before the rest. So these videos take a lot of effort from our team to create and send it to you guys. So please share our channel Oracle Buddy. It will motivate us to create such good quality content on MFCS. Thank you everyone for joining. Stay tuned and please subscribe to get the latest update on Oracle Buddy. Thank you. Bye.